like it in there?
I think this one can be Mom, I think this one can be the little one and that one can be the storage arm.
You want Curie storage arm?
Yeah. I'm gonna play my game. Wait, I'll turn my game back on.
Oh, hi. Are you going to say bye-bye? Were you saying bye-bye? Look at Mama. Mason, can you do it again?
No, I think he was saying hi.
Can you do thumbs up? Thumbs up, dude. Yeah. Good job. Hi, Mason. There you are. Did you have a good sleep? Hi, Happy. You're always so happy, aren't you? I see you. There you are. This is a mommy's favorite time of the day. Hi. Say hi. Mason, are you hungry? Yeah, come on. You ready to get up? Can you say up? Say up, Mama. Yeah. Okay, let's get you up. Breakfast. Yeah, is it good? Whole wheat toast. Is it yummy?
Do we go outside right now?
Not yet. When we go outside, what do you want to go do?
You know.
What do I know?
I think John will go there and then go over the right.
Thumbs up, dude.
High five. Oh.
Yeah. Thumbs up, dude. Yeah, good baby. Where are we going, Mason? Hi, honey. Whoa, baby! Yeah, no better. You face planted, but it's all good. Right? Wiped it off, shake it off. You're all good. Good as new. Where are we going? Ah! You're gonna pop a squat right there? Come on, let's go find Daddy and your brother. Where'd they go? There they are.
We went all the way around.
You went the whole way around?
Yeah, the whole way around. Your hair's ready.
Yeah.
This is fancy. Fancy schmancy.
Fancy that.
Hey, where are you going? Where are you going? You're gonna fall right off. You're gonna fall right off.
Right here.
You are determined. You are determined. You hear the little girl's shoes? They're squeaking.
You're right there, little girl. Keep going around and around. I said stop!
Her shoes squeak.
I said stop! I'm following her.
See, I'm following her because I hear the shoes squeaking, I think.
Well, this is much better than us.
This is a pretty cool playground. What's that? Aww. You like that? Wowee!
Look at the two boys. They are showing the level of excitement that this video will generate once watched. That right there is the problem with all three pigs.
You don't know. You say this every time we ever come down here.
I don't know which one it is because they just put there by the ice end. Unless you can look on the glacier. That's why this is the beginning of life as we knew it. Look, they have rock art. Rocks. They're selling rocks.
Rock art.
Look, more signs to keep off the rocks. But you're not even close to the rocks.
They're probably posted all over the place now.
Step on this one, this one, this one, this one.
Get off from these rocks!
Look at those big leaves. Hey!
I'm coming. Ew. No, right here is good enough.
You give a thumbs up, dude, for these waves? Thumbs up, dude. How are we doing it? Thumbs up, dude. You give a thumbs up, dude. You didn't get it all, did you? No. You killed it.
You came right out of your shoe, buddy. How did that happen, huh? Here you go. Rock on. Oh, not literally, though. Drive your car on, though. All right, go explore. Whoa. Watch out for the poop landmines.
Kick away from them.
Here you go. Get it, look, get the ball. Oh, go get it. That's right. Go back and get that. There you go. Where are you going? Are you trying to leave? Mason, are you trying to leave? Listen, you're too young to leave Mommy just yet, okay? I'm not ready. No. Oh, jeez. Look for your brow. What are you making, Brandon? Oh, buddy, look, there's a spider right above your head. Look. Look. Look, right there. Look at Mommy. Look, up here. Look. Ah! I think you might have broke some of his spider web. What are you doing to it? There it is. Oh, you're going to bury it? No, you might have threw it. You going to use your shovel? Yep, that's a good way too. Pick up your rocks, put them in the shovel. And then you'll probably pick up your shovel and dump it. Yeah. Did you pass it to him?
Yeah.
Alright.
I was showing him how to do it.
Oh, that's nice of you.
No, sorry, what is going to?
You know what he likes to do? What he finds easy?
What?
He picks up the rocks with his hands and then he puts them in the shovel.
Oh,
Oh, good job, Mason!
oh look, he did.
Yeah. Look, see? He's picking them up and putting them in the shovel. Okay, do it again. Yeah. Now make a turn. Move your body weight to one side. Yahoo! There you go. Oh, you all right? Yeah, good job. See, I told you you'd be able to do that one day. Hey. Yeah.
When Daddy is done, Uncle Rob didn't get back.
Yeah.
And he's here. I'm going to show him that I can jump in here and I
Yeah. Good job. Mommy's super proud of you.
When I do that, it goes right there.
You're going to try that one? There you go. Now can you swing your hand over to the next one? Can you take one hand off and move it to the next one?
No, I'm too scared to do that.
No? You got to try. I think you could do it.